Everybody, hey guys, the best in Minecraft here. So guys, today we are going to finish up part 2 of the wild card of nature. So in the last video, severe thunderstorm warning was not to expire, but then we heard like a very large violent creature was first identified as a tornado, has moved into Clayton County, Iowa, and moved into Grant County, Wisconsin. So here we are in part 2, which we will find out the next part. So this is where we left off. So guys, we're gonna continue back and see what happens. 4:03 p.m. What's gonna happen next? Okay.
This is a national emergency.
Oh my god, scary! Oh my god, that was a scary one. Man, that was a scary EAS ever, guys. Number 639, I think that's the scariest EAS ever.
This is an emergency action notification. At 4:01 p.m., an extremely large and violent creature was reported to be causing massive destruction throughout Grant County. In the past hour, 435 fatalities have been reported as well as over 900 injuries. This creature is believed to be attacking the human race. All residents in Grant County are now under a mandatory evacuation. This creature shows no signs of weakening and is a huge threat. This station is ceasing all transmissions until the danger has passed. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the United States government to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide information to the public in this local area. This is Grant County Emergency Management. We will continue to serve the Grant County area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to a station providing news and information for your local area.
That was a scary one. Oh my god. This is like this is Australia EAS. Australia EAS. It's like the world's most creepiest EAS. Emergency action termination. Okay. Oh my god, the creepy EAS is back. Yeah.
This is an emergency action termination. This message has been transmitted at the request of the Wisconsin National Guard. The extremely large creature that formed from a tornado about 5.5 hours ago has vanished.
Oh, thank goodness, it's gone.
During the past 5.5 hours, 771 fatalities and over 1,600 injuries were reported in Grant County. The death toll in Clayton County, Iowa is currently unknown. Again, the creature that formed from a tornado earlier today has weakened and disappeared, and the danger to civilians is over.
Yeah, that's it. Now here we are on July 30, 2010 at 12 a.m. Informational message.
An informational message from the Wisconsin National Guard. This is Sierra Martinez from the Wisconsin National Guard office. A natural disaster that occurred in Grant County earlier today has caused great devastation across the county. A total of 771 fatalities, 1,638 injuries, over 26,000 homeless,
Wow.
and over $17 billion worth of damage.
That's a lot of money.
The creature was believed to have formed from an extremely violent tornado that had touched the ground in Clayton County, Iowa, and moved into Grant County, Wisconsin. More information on the events that occurred earlier today can be heard on local news throughout the next couple of days. This concludes all operations under the emergency alert system. We will resume normal programming momentarily.
So that's all it. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed part 2 of this. If you guys did, leave the video a like, subscribe, and comment down which EAS mock I should do next. If you guys, make sure you guys do it, and I'll see you on tomorrow. Woo!